Alright, so this video is going to be all about adding subpage links, also known as folders, inside of mycliq. So go ahead and edit an already existing mycliq page, hide the settings I don't need so everything looks a little more clean. I'm going to show the links. Now you'll notice that I have separate links for some of these social icons like Instagram, X, YouTube. But what if I just wanted all of my social links to be on one page? The way we can do this is actually very simple. I'm going to go ahead and delete the Twitter and YouTube icons. And what I'll do instead is I'll change this Instagram link to say socials. I'm going to remove the URL here. I'm going to change the actual icon. Let's have this be a phone. Okay. Now I'm going to click the enable subpage. I'm going to click enable subpage links. And what this will do is essentially just give you a place to add more links in an expanded view. I'll show you what I mean. So we can add a link. We'll call this one Instagram now. I'll add the Instagram link. I will add the Instagram URL. I'll add another link. We'll call this one X/Twitter. I'll add this link here. We'll choose the X icon, add another subpage link. We'll call this one YouTube. I'll add my YouTube channel link and I'll select the YouTube link icon. Now let's go ahead and save changes. Now what this is going to do is essentially when I click the socials, it'll now have all of the different social links. This is what I mean by the folder structure. Now, you can also choose to select use vertical layout. And if I just go back and then click into the socials tab, you'll see that now they display it this way. And essentially when a user clicks on one of these, they'll be brought to Instagram, X, and YouTube. Now, what other use cases could you have for this? So another use case could be maybe you have a portfolio. So I'll go to my portfolio page. I'll enable subpage here, and then I'll create a subpage link. We'll keep the vertical layout off, but what I'll do is I'll add a subpage link. We'll call this one design work, and then I'll go to my actual website, and then I'll click the design tab, and then I'll copy this, paste here. Let's find an icon that makes sense for design, something artsy. I kind of like this tree. Let's go tree. And then I'll add maybe video work. Then I'll go over here, I'll click the video page, we'll copy this page, paste, and we'll use the camcorder link for that. And then maybe I have one more thing. Maybe this is 3D. So I'll save that. I'll paste that. And we'll call this 3D work. Maybe I'll just do a star. Okay, we're going to go ahead and save changes. And now what's going to happen is when a user goes on your page and they click this portfolio link here with that subpage link enabled, they'll see three options. They'll see design work, video work, 3D work. Now all you have to do is click on one of them and it'll take them to the specific page of your portfolio. Video work, 3D work. And this just makes it really easy for visitors on your page to see exactly what you want them to see. We'll go ahead and save that, and that will conclude the subpage links/folder option.